This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Morris. Delightful condo surrounded by fruit trees and highly sought after Aquarina Beach and Country Club. Beautiful porcelain tile replaced within the past few years. Spacious balcony with sliding doors off the living area and master bedroom. Gated community with access to golf, tennis, fishing pier, boat ramp, gym, sauna, exercise facilities, beach club and deeded beach access. Available fully furnished if you're interested in something turnkey. Only 5 miles north of Sebastian Inlet. Covered parking underneath the building and boat storage available as well. Come enjoy the laid-back lifestyle of Melbourne Beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Morris.